Choose input type. Say text or audio.
Audio.
Say something.
What is cryptocurrency in one line?
Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency designed to work as a medium of exchange using cryptography for security. Do you have any other queries? Say yes or no.
Yes, I have.
Sure. Let's continue. Choose input type. Say text or audio.
Audio.
Say something.
Say to our subscribers, thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Do you have any other queries? Say yes or no.
Interested in doing this project? I will teach you from starting to ending. There are totally 5 steps to complete this project. The first step is create an account in Google AI for every developer. Second step is creating API and saving it. The third step is Python script. I will provide you in my Telegram channel and my Telegram channel link in description. Fourth step is modifying the code according to your API key. The fifth step is running and testing your AI assistant. Our first step is to create account in AI for every developer. I will provide this link in description. After navigating to this website, create an account and after that click on Explore Models in Google AI Studio. Now simply select Get API Key. Now scroll down and select Create API Key option. After selecting it, it asks you to enter your project details. After completing it, it gives you an API key. Copy it and save it. Now our third step is Python script. After copying Python script, just you need to paste it here. I was using PyCharm and your wish you can use any Python IDE. Now just simply modify your code according to your API key. Now you can see it asks for API key here. Now just simply paste your API key here. Please remember, API key is a sensitive information. Make it private. And also remember, before running the script, you should also install these packages. After making all these modifications, now you just need to simply run it and test it. Now I will show you how our AI assistant is working.
Say text or audio.
Audio.
Say something.
What is computer in 3 lines?
A computer is a programmable electronic device. It processes information according to instructions given in a program. This allows it to perform a vast range of tasks, from simple calculations to complex simulations. Do you have any other queries? Say yes or no.
Yes, I have.
Sure. Let's continue. Choose input type. Say text or audio.
Audio.
Say something.
Say to our subscribers, please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.
Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Do you have any other queries? Say yes or no.
No, I don't have.
Thanks, I am ending.